Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and today I finally have a sit down video for you guys. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a while. Could be wrong, I don't know, but it feels like it's been a while. But today we are doing a little unboxing. This video is quite late because it's been a while since Boxycharm did their whole BoxyPopUp sale. But I still wanted to get it up because I wanted to show you what I got from their pop-up. So if you guys don't know Boxycharm, it is a makeup subscription, but what they also do every now and then is called a BoxyPopUp. It is only for Boxycharmer subscribers, and they have products from beauty, skincare, lifestyle. I think they even have some home, fitness, pretty much almost everything at up to 80% off. That is insane. You can get so much stuff at a really discounted price. So of course I went shopping, and this is everything that I got. I've got two boxes here, this one and this one right here. We are just going to go ahead and look at everything I got. I hate that I didn't save the email with the amount that I paid, but I am going to tell you I did definitely save a lot of money. If you guys just look at the products that I have and even just go out to any of their websites and see the pricing for them, I did not pay that price. Chances are most of the things that I got were over 50% off from what they are sold regularly. So if you guys are interested in seeing all of the goodies that I purchased from their most recent BoxyPopUp, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so like I mentioned, we are taking a look at what I picked up from Boxycharm's most recent BoxyPopUp event that they had. If Boxycharm alone is not enough to freaking love them, this should sell you on them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go into this smaller box first. Let me get this one out of the way. Everything comes well packaged. The first thing up here is I purchased this PYT hairbrush. So this is Not Your Business. It's a detangling brush. So this is it right here. Let me go ahead and take it out. I do need a new brush, so I ended up getting this one. And this is the brush. It's really cute. Bristles here. Little ASMR moment. Nice. Good enough for me. As you guys can see, I'm in my little office area. Right, so next up, I got this coffee scrub. So this is good for like buffing away dry skin and all of that. So it's this right here. I actually got another one of these in my FabFitFun box for fall. That video will be coming up soon. But since I ended up getting two of these, I think I'm going to go ahead and have a giveaway. So definitely keep a lookout for that. If you do not follow me on Instagram, definitely go ahead and follow me there. Chances are the giveaway will probably be up on my Instagram, so you definitely do not want to miss out. So head over to my Instagram. The link will be in the description box down below. Next up, I purchased these rosebuds. These are rose quartz eye treatment. It's a set, so it comes with two. And I already own a gua sha tool, and this is really great for under the eyes. So it's kind of similar to that, but I love these type of things because you can go ahead and put this in your fridge. I have a mini skincare fridge on my vanity, so this is going to be really nice to go ahead and pop those in there, and then when I'm ready to do my makeup, or even before going to bed, or just waking up in the morning, and just go ahead and rubbing that underneath my eyes to help depuff the area. So it says relieve stress, tighten skin, rejuvenate skin cells, and it's supposed to be for most types of skin. So yeah, I'm really excited about this to go ahead and add to my little collection of these type of products for my skin. Next up, I went ahead and purchased the Forsali Skin Tune Blur Perfecting Prime Serum. That's this little guy right here. I definitely have quite a collection of Forsali products, and none of them I have ever paid full price for because they came from Boxycharm. So if you are still wondering if you should sign up, don't wonder anymore. I love these products, and that goes for pretty much almost everything. You're getting it so cheap. Next up, I picked up this Kinesi Microneedle Derma Roller. That's this guy right here. If you guys don't know anything about derma rolling, there are basically like really tiny needles, and you go ahead and roll that over your skin, and it's supposed to produce more collagen because it's kind of like not damaging, but since it's poking your skin, it's telling your skin to go ahead and kind of help heal the area. So it's supposed to help, like I said, with the natural collagen production. So it plumps up and smooths out lines, wrinkles. Says it's supposed to minimize the enlarged pores and strengthens the elasticity of your skin. I used to have one of these. I don't know what ended up happening to it, but I used to like doing it. So I decided to go ahead and pick myself up another one since I saw it on the website. So this is what it actually looks like. Let me take it out of the box. So it comes in a little case right here, which is great because you definitely want to make sure you keep this product clean and sanitized. Make sure you don't get any germs on it. And this is what the actual product looks like. I don't know if you guys can see on there, but it's got super tiny needles. So definitely make sure after every use you go ahead and sanitize this really well because it is puncturing your skin. So you definitely don't want to be causing any type of infection on your skin. So I'm so excited to go ahead and start using this again. I've even seen some people actually use this if you're a mom, if you have stretch marks or loose skin. It actually has helped some people with that to get rid of the saggy a little bit. Obviously, if you have like super saggy skin, it's not going to really do much. But just for like a little bit, and then for the improvement of their stretch marks, you do need to go ahead and pay attention to the size of the needle though. I think different needle size is for different areas of the skin. This one is a facial derma roller. Last up in this box, I picked up the Luxie complete sponge set. So this is it right here. This was actually in one of their previous Boxycharm boxes. Unfortunately, I did not get it in mine, but I was able to pick it up from their BoxyPopUp. So you get a set of 3 sponges, and I love myself some beauty sponges, and I definitely wanted to try the ones from Luxie Beauty because I absolutely love their brushes. So I figured I'd probably like their sponges as well. Okay, now moving on to the bigger box. First up is I purchased the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops. I am waiting for them to have the bronzer and the primer. I would love to scoop one of those up, but this one is in the shade Golden Glow. Wait, is it? No, sorry, Do You. So this is it. I love the packaging of these products. Did I need another highlighter? No. Did I purchase it anyways? Yes. Am I mad about it? No. Embarrassed? Maybe. But I cannot wait to go ahead and try this one out. Next up, I also picked up this Marc Jacobs Youthquake. This is a Hydrofull Retexturalizing Gel Cream. This is just supposed to really moisturize your skin. And of course, if your skin is moisturized, your skin looks healthy. I am becoming a complete skin hoarder, skin junkie. Obviously, even when you're young, you should be a skin junkie because that's what's going to keep your skin young. But I was focused more on the makeup versus the skincare, and now that I am in my 30s, I am scrambling to take care of my skin. I'm telling you, I love the packaging of these Marc Jacobs products. It's just really clean, really sleek, and it's just pretty. Next up, I picked up this Core's Wild Rose Vitamin C Active Brightening Oil. And I love using oils mainly because, like I said, I do have a glasses stone, and you want to go ahead and put kind of like an oil, like a barrier, so that it glides on smoothly, because you definitely don't want it to be tugging at your skin, because that is not good at all. So I stock up on oils because I do this almost every night. You can see like the little rose, pieces of roses in there. Again, skincare, I picked up this set of, I think it's 5, yeah, 5 sheet masks. I love sheet masks. I love putting them in my mini fridge, putting them on, and just having such a cool, calming feeling right before you put on your makeup, or even before you go to bed. I actually ordered a lot of masks because I think they were under $10 for sets of masks. So I will never say no to masks. So I've got this other set here. How many are in here? I don't know what, oh, this is a BU brand. Yeah, and there's a set of 3 masks in here. So there's this one. I got this one came a single. I don't remember how much I paid for this one, but this is the Saturday Skin Cotton Cloud Probiotic Power Mask. I wasn't kidding you guys when I said I stocked up on a face mask. These are all from Real, if I'm pronouncing that, Real Beauty. This is a vitamin C Brighten and Glow mask. And how many are in here? 5 sheets. Oh, I got another Wen mask. This one has 4, and this is actually for your neck. So you definitely want to go ahead and take care of your neck just as much as you take care of the skin on your face, probably even more, because that skin is very delicate there, and it does completely show your age probably faster than the skin on your face. So I picked these up. Then we've got this one for, it's a tea tree mask, Purify and Soothe. Again, a set of 5. And the last set of masks for hydration. So refresh and moisturize. Again, another set of 5 masks. I also picked up this Mind Tan. It's a gradual tan because your girl loves to look tan. I think it is beautiful. So now that fall and winter is coming up, not that I got a lot of sun during the summer this year, but definitely not going to be a lot of sun now. So hopefully this helps me keep a beautiful tan throughout the fall and winter season. Alright guys, so that is everything that I picked up from Boxycharm's most recent pop-up event. I didn't go crazy, but I did pick up quite a bit of stuff. I'm obviously very happy with my purchases. So definitely highly recommend Boxycharm, not just because of their monthly subscription, but because of these pop-up events that they have. So if there was something in Boxycharm that you wanted that just didn't happen to be in your box, chances are it'll probably pop up on their Boxy event, so you can go ahead and purchase it yourself at a discounted price. So I will go ahead and leave all the information down below for Boxycharm. Go ahead and click on that link. Go ahead, subscribe, and just enjoy your makeup. But that is it for today's video. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.